My name is Dr. Bradshaw, and this tape is intended for my RAD 2612 students. We are studying congenital anomalies, and this tape is about Schmorls node. Schmorls node is a nucleus pulposa that herniates through the vertebral end plate. Some think that it is due to trauma, but actually I think that it is after trauma that you see the symptoms. I believe that the birth defect is the fact that the end plate is weakened, and so it is listed in congenital anomalies in Yoakum and Rowe. It has a triad of features. The first of these would be a decreased disc space. The second would be is that it's most commonly found on the anterior superior surface of the vertebral body. And the third one is that you have an increased A to P body width. The thing that you have to differentiate Schmorls node from is, are you looking at a Schmorls node or are you looking at what is called nuclear impression? And nuclear impression involves the entire end plate, whereas Schmorls node looks more like someone took a pencil and punched it through the end plate. To look at a schematic of these two, you see on this one that it is the entire end plate that is involved, whereas on this one it's more of a U shape, like something was punched down through. And so there's the difference between nuclear impression versus Schmorls node. Looking at the next film, you see that you have a Schmorls node right here. And I have shown this film before, and some people thought that it was a limbus, but you notice that it does not go through all the way to the front of the vertebral body, so that's why that one is not a limbus. The next film, looking at this, there's the Schmorls node right there. And there's a small one right here, and there's another one right here. And so this one has multiple levels on the inferior vertebral end plate. And the last film is that there's a small one right here on the inferior vertebral end plate, and so that is also known as a Schmorls node. This completes this tape on Schmorls node.